Welcome to Oscar's crib. 60-foot slime-covered tongue with canker sores, swimming cavities, and plankton-encrusted teeth for when I feel a little old school.
Stop your moaning, Oscar. It could be a lot worse, you know?
Yeah, that's true. I could have this job and look like you.
Who's behind me? Whoever behind me, better give me some.
Indigestion.
She's gonna blow!
Wait! Headphone guy's still in there!
I got you! Headphone guy!
This must be where the deer and the antelope play. Oh, Pumbaa's coming!
Still think it could be worse?
Yeah, I could look like you.
All right.
But look which is burning.
Just the fish we're looking for.
Yeah.
The boss beneath to see right now.
Right now.
Bernie, my jellyfish brothers. Booyaka. Hey, what's up, man? Man, good to see y'all. Huh? What'd you say, Ash? Okay. Fellas, I'm gonna go ahead over there, but don't worry about it. Cause every little thing gonna be alright.
That's not the way you sing that song, man.
Sykes! My brother from another mother. What the daisy, baby? Show me that. So, what's going down? Hey, baby, this is all gravy today. Now, snap your fin right on the. Snap it.
Oscar.
You're not snapping it.
Oscar.
Hey, don't sweat it, Sykes. A lot of white fish can't do it, man.
Oscar, would you just sit down, okay?
Thank you.
Look, I've been going over my markers. You're into me for $5 grand. 5 G's, okay?
5 G's, man. You tripping 5
Oh, yeah?
G's.
See if this refreshes your memory.
What? That's crazy. Look at that. You wrote everything down so you wouldn't forget. Wow, this is a perfect example of why you're in management and I'm not. You go, boy.
Look, I have to start paying Don Lito protection. So everything you owe me, you owe him.
How you figure that?
Simple. The food chain. You see, on top there's Don Lino.
Right.
There's me. And there's regular fish.
Oh, that's me.
No. There's plankton. There's single-cell amoebas.
Oh, then there's me.
I'm getting there. There's coral. There's rocks. There's whale poo. And then there's you.
That's messed up.
I'm gonna give you 24 hours to pay up.
All of it? How am I supposed to do that?
The boys will explain.
Really? Is this beautiful?
Unpleasant.